Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of health informatics and exploring the must-have tools for those just starting out in this exciting field. I'm your host, Davo Too Short, and I'm thrilled to be your guide as we journey through the essential tools that every healthcare informatician should know. In the realm of health informatics, having the right tools at your disposal is crucial. Today we're going to walk you through some of the foundational tools that healthcare informaticians use on a regular basis. SQL is the backbone of data management in healthcare. It's the language used to communicate with databases, making it essential for handling and analyzing vast amounts of medical data. From patient records to administrative information, understanding SQL is invaluable for extracting meaningful insights from healthcare databases. R and Python are powerful programming languages extensively used for data analysis, statistical modeling, and visualization in health informatics. With their user-friendly syntax and a wide range of libraries, they are instrumental in processing and interpreting complex healthcare data, aiding professionals in making informed decisions. A familiar but indispensable tool, Excel serves as a versatile platform for organizing and analyzing healthcare data. Its ability to perform calculations, create dashboards, and generate reports is highly valued in the field, especially for those new to health informatics. Visual representation of data is key in understanding and presenting healthcare information effectively. Tools like Tableau and PowerBi enable users to create interactive and comprehensive data visualizations, aiding in sharing insights and driving informed healthcare decisions. In the world of health informatics, organized project management is paramount. Tools like Microsoft Planner facilitate task management, collaboration, and planning, ensuring the seamless execution of healthcare informatics projects. Understanding and effectively utilizing these tools are fundamental in health informatics. Whether you're just starting or looking to expand your skill set, mastering these tools will undoubtedly set you on the right path in the healthcare informatics landscape. We hope this has been insightful for you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on navigating the world of health informatics. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with these tools, feel free to drop a comment down below. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the fascinating world of health informatics. Thanks for watching.